Welcome back to the channel. If you use Canva for designing, then today's video is very important for you. Right now, I have an active Canva Pro team available. So far, 28 people have joined yet, which means free slots are still available. This is your chance to get Canva Pro absolutely free by joining the team. With Canva Pro, you get premium templates, pro elements and graphics, background remover, brand kits, and many more advanced features. It is perfect for students, teachers, YouTubers, and content creators. The free joining link is in the description. Don't wait, because once all members join, the team will be closed. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you get more Canva Pro team links in the future and stay part of the team. Hurry up and join now. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.